Hello, today we will guide you through how to join a Zoom meeting with meeting ID and password. To begin, open Google Calendar and go to the date where your meeting is scheduled. In this example, the meeting appears on the calendar view, and this is where you'll usually find the Zoom invite if it was shared through a calendar event. Taking a moment to open the correct event first helps make the joining process much smoother, especially if you have multiple meetings scheduled throughout the day. Once you're in Google Calendar, click on the scheduled meeting. This opens the event details where you can review the time, title, and most importantly, the meeting information. If the event includes a Zoom invitation, you'll typically see a join link inside the event description or location area. This is the link you'll use to launch the meeting quickly without needing to manually type in the meeting ID. Next, click the Zoom meeting link provided in the calendar event. This is the easiest way to join because the link usually contains the meeting details automatically. After selecting the link, your browser may prompt you to continue to Zoom. Depending on your device and browser settings, you might see a message asking whether you want to open the Zoom app. When that prompt appears, click Open Zoom App. This will launch the Zoom application on your computer and begin connecting you to the meeting. If Zoom is not already installed, you may be asked to download it first, but if it is already set up, this step should happen quickly. After Zoom opens, you may be taken straight into the meeting, or you may be asked to enter the meeting password. In some cases, the password is already built into the join link, so you won't need to type anything manually. If that happens, Zoom will continue automatically. If not, simply enter the password provided in the calendar invite or by the meeting host, then proceed to join. At this point, you should be connected or nearly ready to enter the meeting. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to join a few minutes early so you have time to handle any prompts for audio, video, or permissions before the meeting starts. You may also want to double check that your microphone and camera are working properly once Zoom opens. And that's how to join a Zoom meeting using the meeting link, with the meeting password entered only if Zoom asks for it.